Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's another video to get the best out of LinkedIn. In this video, I will teach you all you need to know on how to create a professional LinkedIn company page. You can create a company page by going to the Works option and selecting Create a Company Page from the drop menu. LinkedIn provides various options for you to select from. Whether you're a small business, a medium to large business, whether you're using this page to showcase another page, or you are an educational institution. Either of those options would bring you to this page where you would have to enter the relevant information to set up your company page. It starts with the company name, your website, which industry you are from or which industry you cater to, the size of your company, what type of company you are. In my case, it's a sole proprietorship. And you have an option to upload your logo. This is where you can enter a tagline of your organization. In my case, it's transforming businesses and influencing lives. You would need to accept the terms and conditions of LinkedIn before you set up your company page. And once you click on the Create page, voila, you have completed the setup of your company page. You can enter more information to make this page more relevant and reachable. One of them is the description. As you can see, for my company, the description is we help transform businesses. We work with business owners to accelerate growth and incremental revenue. Remember, this section allows you to enter as high as 2000 characters. So utilize as much of this space to project the right information and address the audience with what you want to pass on to them to capture the customer and the business you're looking for. You have an option to enter a cover image. So this would be the header image on your company page. If you click on the home button, the page that you would reach, you can see the analytics about this page, information about visitors and followers, what activities you perform on this page. You can enter a location if you have an outlet or an office where you would like customers to visit you. The system would prompt you to create your first post. I would suggest to have an engaging post to send out to all your connections who will be visiting your page for the first time. And something I strongly recommend, hashtags which identify what you're into and also help the search engine find your page and project it to prospective businesses and also to customers. So people can follow you by clicking on this link and visit your website from this button. You can invite connections to subscribe to this page and keep them informed of the developments that's happening in your organization. This is a company page of an organization that I have established and am operating at the moment. You would agree that LinkedIn has made setting up a company page very simple. I would strongly suggest a new organization to create a company page to be able to direct traffic and generate leads. For an established organization as well, LinkedIn with its strong professional network is an awesome source of revenue and leads that could help them further their business. I'm sure you learned something new today to help you improve your business or make you a prospective candidate for recruiters out there. Feel free to reach out to me if I could be of any further assistance. This is Grenville wishing you well.